Hi, welcome to Chapter 8 of AWS CDK in action. In this chapter, we're going to learn how to streamline our serverless development. And for that, we're going to rely on a piece of software called LocalStack. LocalStack, as the name suggests, is going to enable us to deploy our CDK stack into a local environment. So think of LocalStack as your personal AWS. So to start, let's first go into our infrastructure folder and run yarn to install all of its dependencies. Let's do the same thing into the server folder. Let's wait here just a little bit. Okay, now let's run yarn build frontend to do the same thing and build our React app. And while this is being done, let's go into our server folder and create a .env file right here. And in this .env file, we will need these values right here: a port, region, table name, and a DynamoDB endpoint. This endpoint right here refers to LocalStack endpoint. Okay, by default, LocalStack can be accessed through this port right here. So with that done, let's open another terminal right here and run LocalStack start to initialize the LocalStack container. And okay, with this ready message right here, it means LocalStack is up. And we can make sure of that running this Docker command right here, and we will see the LocalStack container in here. Okay, with that done, now we need to bootstrap our LocalStack. We need to do that because since it is pretty much a new AWS environment, it doesn't have all the necessary resources to spin up a stack. So let's go right here in the package.json, and you guys will see this script right here. So we can pretty much run CDK local bootstrap. And okay, with that done, we can now properly deploy our stack. And this will deploy our DynamoDB table basically into LocalStack. Okay, with that done, we can go back here into our server folder, and we now export our AWS profile, and we run yarn dev. This will initialize a local express server that is running the same Lambda function and connecting to the same DynamoDB table deployed into LocalStack. Okay, now we have a server listening on port 3000, and we can test this server by running a curl command, for example. Let's run the health check path. Okay, it's working. Now let's run that post request post. Okay, we just added a item on the table. So now let's run the get request. And yeah, that's the item we just added. Okay, that's pretty much it. See you.